My name is Noble Chinhanhu. I'm a lawyer with Zimbabwe Human Rights NGO Forum. Today, the High Court granted bail for 14 of the Nyatsime accused persons. We remain concerned, obviously, that Job Sikhala remains in detention. We believe since now Godfrey Stolle has been granted bail, it is now very much in the interest of justice that Job Sikhala should also be granted bail. We know that recently, on 5 November, he was denied bail for the fifth time in the case that he's sharing with Godfrey Stolle of inciting public violence. We believe that now it is a very good sign that all the political detainees concerned with Nyatsime incidences will be granted bail. And we think this is a very good sign that Job Sikhala will also soon be out. It is quite strange that accused persons are kept incarcerated before trial for lengthy periods of time. As the judge indicated in his judgment, these are very simple cases, and sometimes taking 4 months claiming that we still have witness statements to record is insincere, because which witness is going to remember incidents that happened 4 months ago? In any event, there is nothing complex about a public violence matter. You only basically have to say, I was there and I saw such and such persons do such and such activities. There is no complexity to that kind of a scenario. And this obviously points to the fact that this was a ploy by the state to punish any of these persons on political grounds, actually, because none of the reasons that were advanced for further detention were actually justified. And this is a trend in Zimbabwe whereby pretrial detention is used as a tool of punishment rather than as a criminal justice system tool to effectively carry out justice in Zimbabwe. It is not fair that they had to come out after 5 months in detention. This is a sad situation, and this is a sad precedent we are setting in relation to many other people who are going to be arrested for particular allegations. It basically means that any person can come and lay any allegation against any person, and that will be the end of you, because now you're facing 5 or 6 months of incarceration before trial. Which is obviously not right. It is said also that the magistrates court seem unable to also hold similar sentiments that the High Court held today in relation to pretrial incarceration. As I said, this was an appeal from the magistrates court. The magistrates court found nothing amiss in 5 months of pretrial incarceration. And this is a sad situation, because this is an erosion of constitutionally guaranteed rights of to be released conditionally or unconditionally pending a trial or pending a charge. And we would like to see a day where the magistrates court will also begin to follow the dictates and the precedents that is set by the High Court, whether it is a politically motivated case or it is an ordinary case. Thank you.